Okay? So the exercise I'm going to show you today deals absolutely with no equipment. You're not even using the wall, you're not using anything. Just you on the floor. And I'll show you how to train the middle deltoid and the elbow flexors in one exercise. That is called the elbow curl. What we're going to do is place the hands like so, behind the knees, with the elbows coming out. Not back, but out. Lying down on the side, placing the hands here. Both hands, the arm and the lower leg is in one line. You're going to come straight up, not using the strength of our abdominals, only the strength of our elbow flexors and middle deltoid. The key here is to have your elbow pointed into the floor, not this way. Breathe out and lift. And very slowly come back down. Here you feel the tension of your bicep, or the elbow flexors, and middle deltoid. One repetition, you're not going to feel it, but if you do a few, you'll definitely feel it. This arm is just here. To press the leg down is not for assistance. You want to make it more difficult, you can place the arm back here. While you're performing this exercise, you'll definitely feel it in your elbow flexors, you'll definitely feel it in your middle deltoid. Maybe a little bit in your posterior deltoid, but you won't feel anything in the front of your shoulder, which is great because a lot of bodyweight exercises target the front of the shoulder already. Let me do it on the other side. Again, make sure your elbow doesn't bend in, it bends down. Do not use your abdominals, just this and this. The more weight is higher on your body, the more difficult it is. So if I lift my arm, it will make it a bit more difficult. Now, it's not a full range of motion. You're not completely bending your elbow as you would do, let's say, with a bicep curl with dumbbells or resistance band, but you're getting about 90-degree movement, which is enough because all you're using is your own body weight and the floor. And if you have no equipment, this is great to train those muscles. Elbow flexors, middle deltoid.